Hello and thanks for joining me here. My name is Kevin Seaver. I'm located in Boston, Massachusetts. Trusted lawyer since 1991, helping you successfully fight the Department of Children and Families, more commonly referred to as DCF. Hell has no fury like a scorned woman. Well, that's true of men also, and that's what today's story is about. I had a client come in to see me, the mother, and she told me how she had an allegation of neglect against her, supported. So we applied for what's called a fair hearing in a timely fashion. And we went to the fair hearing and an opportunity to cross-examine the social worker and her supported 51B of neglect against my client. This investigator spoke to the child, who said that on Valentine's night, the mother had kicked the child out of the home and that he walked to his aunt's house, who lived in the same hometown, with no socks, pajamas, in a horrific northeaster snowstorm. The social worker wrote this all down and listened carefully to what the child had to say, as well as his father was looking to gain custody of the child in probate and family court. Later at the fair hearing, I had an opportunity to cross-examine the social worker. And we did some digging, and we dug down deep. And we got the police report from the police officer who interviewed the child on the night of the event. And the police report completely contradicted what the child said happened in the home. The child on the night of the incident in the police report, which DCF had a copy of as well, but chose to run with the child's narrative, stated that the child admitted to committing the damage and the holes in the wall, that he had done wrong, that he had left the house, that he had walked to his aunt's house, and there was no mention of him walking over there in socks and pajamas in the middle of a northeaster snowstorm and all the garbage that the child told DCF. But DCF did not corroborate or disprove this information that was given to them. They just ran with the child's story. And the aunt said, that's just blatantly false. That's nothing of the truth. The child arrived at her house with sneakers, socks, skinny jeans, t-shirt, and a puffy winter vest. A close look at the national weather forecast records indicated that the day before the incident, the day of the incident, the day after the incident, there was absolutely positively no precipitation or storm. The child had lied, blatantly lied. And the social worker in the middle of the fair hearing, she wanted to take a Southwest airline plane out of that hearing, as she read through a report which she had not corroborated or disproved with reliable information, which is her affirmative duty to do. She was wrong. She did a terrible, terrible investigation. And in the end, it was a happy ending. The allegation was thrown out. But the problem is that, and the issue becomes, and the story and the moral of the story is that when parents try to alienate their children against another parent, children make terrible foot soldiers because they can't keep times and dates and locations straight. And it being whispered in one ear, information which they later tell to DCF, which is easily corroborated and disproved later on with national weather reports, affidavits from witnesses that were there, that were present at the time. And it turns a negative into a positive. If this video was educational and informative, please share it with your family and friends. Be sure also to join my subscription to my YouTube channel for other videos to help you successfully fight DCF. Thank you for watching.